Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisaandthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 10 social media marketing tips for 2018 that will help you get more leads, reps, and customers for your business on a part-time basis without sounding salesy or spammy. Now, you and I both know that leads are the lifeblood for your business. If you're not generating fresh leads daily, you are losing a lot of valuable time and money. Now, for creating leads and online marketing success, the most successful people in the home business space working part-time do these three activities. Okay, and social media is perfect for these three activities. You need to build an audience. You need to engage your audience before you can sell to your audience. Okay, selling is the third step, and too often people are focusing right on the sales. 97% of home business owners fail because they get this three daily activities, they're doing it in the wrong sequence. So you need to be spending time building an audience and engaging your audience first. When you do this, the selling is effortless and you're not going to be sounding like a used car salesman. Okay, because that's the other big objection people have as home business owners, is that I don't have any sales experience. Some of the most successful home business owners making 6, 7, 8 figures got their start by just focusing on these three activities. And social media, we're going to leverage social media the correct way. Okay, and when you only have a limited amount of time to work your business, you must leverage your time by using social media to reach targeted audience. Because what's great about social media is that instead of spending all this time, because in the past people would call on the phone, set up the home meeting, try to get people to a hotel meeting, and it took a lot of time and effort, to get just a few people to come after going through a list of prospects. Here with social media, you can reach a larger following, even worldwide, if they are in your audience, and you can invite them to watch an online presentation or an audio very, very easily. So what we're going to do is leverage social media to attract those people to us. Now, stay with me until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you how you can get personally coached by the top 20 home business owners who use social media, leveraging the internet to get more leads, reps, and customers with social media, working only part-time. So here are the 10 tips, okay? Get out a pad of paper and a pen and be ready to take notes. First, you have to know your audience, okay? One of the big things network marketing companies don't tell you, all right, is they say to you, everybody's your prospect. So go out there and prospect, friends, family, people you know. They give you the memory jogger list. You try to come up with a list of 100 people. And then they have you go through that list of 100. And then if you don't have any luck, like my friends Todd and Leah Ray, they went to their sponsor, and the sponsor said, go back to them again. Okay? When you market to everybody, you market to nobody. So you need to get very clear before you start doing the building and engaging your audience. Who is it you are marketing to? Okay, are you marketing to the stay-at-home moms? Are you marketing to the baby boomers who are looking to earn some extra, supplement their retirement income, or to build up their income to take care of them when the health issues arise? Are you looking for the dad who has been on the road so much that he wants to be able to build a business so he can stay home and not miss out on those family milestones of his kids? Okay, who is your audience? Who are you serving? You need to get very, very clear on that. Now, the other way you can do this, online, if you have your own personally branded blog, make sure that you have a good social sharing plugin such as Monarch to get your website visitors to share your content. So this is also going to help you through word of mouth. Now, with your blog, as always, you need to make sure that your content is what your audience wants to read and consume. So if you have really high value content, that's part of building your audience, okay, and engaging your audience. And if your audience loves your content you have on your blog, whether it's doing videos or blog posts, they will share it. And if you have those social media share buttons there, they will share your content and they will get the word out for you as well. Don't be afraid to pay for social media advertising. It can be a good investment. And the best place to do it is Facebook, believe it or not. Did you know that you can set up your fan page and do a very simple Facebook engagement campaign for just $5 a day? And you can get quality prospects and leads coming to your fan page. That's what I've been doing with one of my fan pages. I run a $5 a day ad for 1 week to promote the content of getting people to come to my site. And I'm averaging between 30 and 50 new leads a day with just a $5 Facebook ad. Facebook ads work. So if you do have a small amount of budget available, I really recommend that you do some paid Facebook advertising because you're going to get results quickly, especially if you know who your audience is. That's the big thing before you do any type of advertising. You need to be clear on who your audience is. Video. You should be doing video. Okay, and there's many ways you can do video. You can do Facebook Live videos. You can do YouTube live streaming. You can also do, there's also some lives with Instagram and Periscope. All of live stream videos are very, very popular because you can do this on the go. You don't need to be investing in a lot of video equipment. Most of your phones, okay, smartphones, here's one of my smartphones here. My iPhone has a, this has a built-in HD camera and microphone, so I can record videos on the fly, okay? And you don't have to worry about hosting these videos because the minute you create a live stream video, it's uploaded right to the social media platform. You don't need to invest into any type of video editing software. And live stream videos are the most engaged. You're going to get the most engaged audience. People will love watching your live stream videos. As a matter of fact, on my one fan page that I'm doing the $5 Facebook ads I'm telling you about, I just finished doing a live stream video where I'm usually on for like 15 to 20 minutes, and I have about 25 people that watch my live stream, and within a matter of hours, I can go from having less than 50 views on the live stream at that time to over 1,000 views, and people reaching out to me wanting to know more about my product, service, and business opportunity. So videos are huge. You also want to use GIFs, okay? If you don't know what a GIF is, if you see like on Facebook, you know, like they tend to be like snippets from like TV shows or from movies, and people love using those as a way to convey how they're feeling. And they are also highly engaged. And what people are finding out now is that Facebook ads are now allowing these types of GIF images, and they are getting tons of engagement. People are really liking the GIF images. So you want to use those as well, whether you can use them for content, you can use them for advertising. This is another way to get people to really want to engage with you. This is a huge one. Focus on relationships, okay? You want to seek conversation over conversion. Let me say that again. You want to seek conversation over conversion, okay? You want to take time to know people, build those relationships, because people buy from those who they know, like, and trust. Don't be afraid to pay for social advertising to build a targeted following fast. We just talked about that for advertising. It's going to be a good investment that can pay off in the long run. And the best part is, with social media advertising, you can start with just $5 a day to test and see how well you're building your audience. And once you start making profits, you can take a portion of those profits and reinvest it and scale up and really accelerate your results. This is also another big one. Focus on one social media network at a time. If you try to build an audience on Facebook, then Twitter and Instagram and YouTube all simultaneously, you're spreading yourself too thin. When you are part-time, you want to be focusing first on the social media network where your target audience is more likely to hang out. So, for example, most older adults will be on Facebook more than they will be on Snapchat. So if you're dealing with millennials, they might be more on Instagram and Snapchat, so you may want to be building your audience there. Okay, so you need to take that time, know your audience, where are they hanging out on social media, and what are their big problems. You want to be authentic. This is huge. Be vulnerable and share your journey. Even if you're not getting any results right now, take them on your journey. You're going to get people who are going to be rooting for you. And they may not be joining you right off the bat as a rep and customer, but they're going to be emotionally invested in your journey. And if you're giving them content that they want, you're being real and authentic, there will come a tipping point where the time will be right for them, and they are going to want to join you in business because you are going to be that inspiration to them. Lastly, focus on relationships. Remember, social media is all about people. Why do people go on social media? Real simple reasons. Number one, they want to be entertained. They want to learn something. They want to share. Okay? People don't go on social media to buy. They never do. But people who buy, they do go on social media and they will share their experiences. So with that said, you don't want to be turning your profile into an advertising message board because Facebook doesn't like it. Facebook is cracking down on home business owners who do this. So you want to be focusing on building, engaging, and selling your audience using the right format. And so when it comes time, when you build your audience and engage your audience, there will come a tipping point where you can ask someone, where you take the conversation from social media on the public news feeds to private conversations. And when you get it to the private conversation, that's when you can see if they're open to looking at your product, service, or business. And when that happens, they're going to want to do it because they know, like, and trust you. Did you find this video helpful today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share. Now, as promised, I was going to tell you how you can get coached by the top 20 home business experts. I have a very special training to offer you here. It is called the Attraction Marketing Definitive Guide. These are the 20 home business owners. These is an interview that has a 86-minute audio and a PDF guide that will walk you through step by step what these top 20 home business owners are doing that are 6, 7, and 8 figures. And we even have an interview with how I mentioned with my friends Todd and Leah. They just had their first 6-figure month leveraging social media doing this. So you're going to get their blueprint as well in this bundle. So to get this training, all you need to do is go to drlisamthompson.com/attraction marketing bundle, and we'll get that sent right over to you straight away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.